Good morning. So last night I wrapped my steering wheel. It's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. I like the whole suede look. I ordered carbon fiber for this piece, but I am almost kind of tempted just to keep the way it looks. I kind of like that it's all Alcantara. It's not perfect, and my gosh, every single time that I was stitching, I think maybe right here and right here, the string broke, and I don't know. You see this little area right here? There's a bit of a separation, but overall I think it looks okay. I received something from MASHIMARHO. I'm really excited to install this and kind of nervous, but these are the yellow gauges. I'm gonna tackle doing these today, and it looks pretty legit. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really cool. These pieces are pretty solid. It isn't just vinyl, it's like a textured hard piece of plastic. So they're pretty pricey, but they're so unique. I feel like I had to do it. So I got the T20, and there are just 2 screws right here, so you'll just loosen it up. So there's a little bit of a small portion right here that you press down, and this slides right down, and it releases the entire connector. As you can see, the connector goes right here, and the wire is fed through this port, and you just pull it right off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 torque screws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. In addition, there's a piece of tape right here that you must cut, and it will void any sort of warranty, but this car is well out of warranty. So let's get this opened up. So with these clips in the back, I want to be kind of careful. Slowly kind of work everything out with my fingers. Tried using my fingers, but I guess a flathead will work more efficiently. So it's all officially out. When I looked at MASHIMARHO and how he installed this, you have to use 2 spoons to pop each one of these off. So I think that's probably the most nervous part about doing this. So I guess wish me luck, guys. So per MASHIMARHO, you use 2 spoons and you have to pop off everything. I guess just make sure you remember where everything is. I guess 0, 0, 0, and 120. But let's try this out. There we go. There we go. Whew, that was nerve-wracking. Oh my gosh. So now there isn't any specific way, I guess. You're just supposed to remove these, and they're just stickers. And just be careful not to move anything. the other one. So, just want to remove as much of the adhesive as you can. Okay. So I plugged it in the car, it lit up. I saw the warm-up gauge go up and down. So what I'm gonna do is just place everything right back in to where I got it from and align it exactly where it's supposed to be without moving it too much. There we go. I'm trying to get it as equal to where it should be and just press right down so I don't have to move it too much. I want everything to be as accurate as it can be right now. Okay. And where's the last one? There we go. Okay, we're all in, and let's just assemble everything back. Be very careful when you install this. If this isn't out, this one clip, I was like, why isn't it not tightening all the way? And I found that this one wasn't even through. So very important, be careful about this little piece right here. So everything's turning on. Let's go for a drive and see. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it's working. Oh my gosh, it was an oh crap moment. I just jacked up my BMW. It's working. I think when I pressed the gauge, I pressed it down too far, so it was directly on up against the face. So when you push in the needles, you don't want to push it all the way in. You want to give it a little bit of space in between the film and the actual needle. So heck yeah. It's always so scary working on these cars. Like, you know, you mess up a Honda Civic or a Toyota, you can go and find a cluster anywhere and just try and make it work. But with these kind of cars, I don't want to even know how much it would be to replace the entire thing. Whew. I'm so happy. If you can't tell, I can barely move the wheel because I didn't put everything in. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It works. So let's go on a cruise. It's all installed. You ready, Tommy? This looks so nice. I'm really happy I did this. Is swole. Look at those back muscles. Got some rear delts. I'm also actually decently pleased with how this all came out. The whole suede steering wheel Alcantara, it looks nice. I feel like it's really like sporty. I did it last night once more and it was a pain in the butt. I don't think I want to wrap another steering wheel ever again, but it was definitely worth it, I'd say. overall, just really happy that I'm refreshing this car, and all the little things I'm doing to it makes a really big difference. Happy to say that I didn't mess this up. And it looks good, it looks quality, it looks like it was actually like from factory like this, so I can't complain. So if you guys want the same set, I think there's also red and blue, and it's from MASHIMARHO.com, okay?